If you're experiencing issues with the microphone not working on YouTube TV while using a BunddTV device, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. First, ensure that the microphone feature is enabled in the YouTube TV app settings. Sometimes, permissions for microphone access may be disabled, so double-check your device's app permissions to confirm that YouTube TV has access to the microphone. Next, test the microphone on other apps or platforms to rule out a hardware issue. If the microphone works elsewhere, the problem is likely specific to YouTube TV. Clearing the app's cache can also help. Go to your BunddTV settings, locate the YouTube TV app, and clear its cache and data to reset its functionality. If the issue persists, try restarting your BunddTV device or reinstalling the YouTube TV app to ensure it's running the latest version. Additionally, check for any software updates for your BunddTV device, as outdated firmware can sometimes cause compatibility problems. If none of these solutions work, consider reaching out to BunddTV support or YouTube TV customer service for further assistance. Let us know in the comments if this guide helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.